an important extra rule, which is only really important to the strategists. 12 chapters in this game, but the chapters are actually divided into 4 acts, each of those being 3 chapters, and you can see 1 act on a given page. So each act has a slightly different bonus effect as to how quality of life gets scored in each chapter. So in Act 1, the hedonistic years, you're between ages 18 and 30, and during this time, you actually add double your pleasure score to your quality of life. So when it comes time to add this up, you'll be adding double whatever that number is to your quality of life. So it's extra important to focus on pleasure, potentially, here. And then when we go to Act 2, the axial years, that's between ages 30 and 42. There is no bonus to quality of life, although there is a note here that the president starts getting elected at this point. Then we move on to Act 3, the weighty years between the ages of 42 and 54. And here, you're going to be adding double your pain score to your quality of life each chapter. So that's pretty bad. Although, do note that you're adding double your pain score to your quality of life. You're not actually doubling your pain. So in terms of the trauma effect, you're still only looking for a value of 5 or more here to trigger that trauma, but you'll be adding double that number over here. And then finally, Act 4, the reflective years, ages 54 to 66. Here, as well as the fact you can't have children, don't worry about that too much, you add double your meaning and your trauma scores to your quality of life. So this is a big deal. This is at the very end of the game. This is kind of the accumulation of how much meaning you've managed to accumulate and how much trauma you've accumulated over the course of your life. And you'll be adding double your meaning and subtracting double your trauma from your quality of life. So those overarching accumulating numbers are going to be extra important as you reach the end of the game. Once again, doubling your trauma doesn't mean that it's going to actually double this number and push you into potentially mental illness. It just means that you add this, or you subtract this number twice from your quality of life score.